Hello guys, in this video I will show you 10 steps to fix 100% disk usage on Windows 10. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. As always, step number 1 is restart your computer. To do that, you have to go to Windows icon here, tap on it, then tap on power, then tap on restart. It will restart your computer. Then after you can see if that is success, your disk usage will be reduced to 100, below 100. Step number 2 is you need to check for Windows updates. To check that Windows update, you have to go again Windows icon, then tap on setting, then you need to choose last option, update and security, then tap on Windows update. Currently my system is up to date. You can tap on check for updates here, then it will check is there latest updates here, then your system will be updated. This also helps to reduce disk usage. That is step number 2. Step number 3 is disable Windows search. Windows search is another thing affect for disk usage. To disable that, you need to search for run. You can see the system application here, tap on it, then type on services.msc and hit enter. It will go you to services menu. Now you have to find Windows search. In this list, you need to scroll down until you find W letter section. Go down. Okay, now you are in W letter section. Find Windows search. Okay, here it is. You can see Windows search is here. No, you need to just right click on it, then tap on stop. Then it will be stopping. That is step number 3. Step number 4 is disable super fetch, that also called sysmain. This also doing by services menu. Now you need to search for sysmain. Scroll up little bit until you find S letter section. You need to find sysmain. Okay, here it is. Then you have to right click on it and tap on stop. I am already stopped this services, so in my case I will see start button is activate. Now in your case you can see stop button is activate. Just tap on stop button, then it will be stop that application. So that is step number 4. Step number 5 is you need to perform disk check. To do that, you have to open command prompt. This is it. Then you need to right click on it and tap on run as administrator. Tap on yes and type this command, chkdsk space /f space /r and hit enter. Then it will check your disk. Is anything bad thing happen or some damages here, and it will show the errors in your disk. That is step number 5. And step number 6 is you have to update device drivers. To do that, again you need to search for device manager. You can see the first option, it is appeared. Just tap on it and maximize this. You can see all the hardware is appeared here. There is option called disk drives. Double tap on it. Then in my PC there are 2 disks here, SSD and hard disk. Just right click on that and tap on update driver, and there are 2 options here. First one is search for online to is there new drivers here, then just tap on it in my scenario, my drivers are already installed, so no need to install again. So I close that, and it asks for restart the computer. I'm entering no right now, then close it. Likewise, you can all the drivers you need to update. That is step number 6. Then step number 7 is you need to disable the startup programs. To disable that programs, you have to right click on taskbar and go to task manager, and then go to the startup tab. These are the startup application effect for startup. So percentage of affection is here. Some applications are high affection, some are low, some are none, and this is the status of that application. If you see any application enabled here and you don't need necessary, you just tap on that and tap on disable here, then it will be disabled. You can see. Likewise, you can disable every unwanted thing is here. Then step number 8 is adjust virtual memory. Virtual memory is also taking place of your hard disk, so we have to adjust that according to reduce disk usage. To do that, you have to search advanced system setting. You can see the first option is appeared already. It is under the control panel. Just tap on it. Then you need to go to advanced tab, and under the performance section tap on setting, and again you need to go to advanced tab, and you can see virtual memory is here. Currently it is set as 6969. Tap on change and untick this automatically managing paging size. Recommended amount is 1905, and I am allocated to around 7 GB. You can reduce that amount for reduce the disk usage. To do that, tap on system size and give the amount you need to do. So that's how you can adjust virtual memory. I like to keep this as it is. Cancel and cancel. And step number 9 is you have to check for malware, because some malware also affected for high disk usage. To do that, you have to go to Windows Security. You can see the first option is already appeared, and go to Virus and Threat Protection and tap on Quick Scan. It will scan your whole PC in limited time. Then it will show some malware is there. It will remove those things, and you can use that. Then after, close it. Okay, the final and step number 10 is you have to reinstall Windows or reset your Windows. This step use only if all else are fails, because this is very difficult and time consuming, and all of your installed application will be removed. So all the steps are not working, then only after you need to reinstall Windows. So I hope you can reduce your disk usage below 100% using these steps. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like and comment to this video. Thank you very much. See you soon in new video.